Cyclones are nature's powerful storms formed due to a combination of atmospheric and oceanic processes. How cyclones are formed. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how cyclones are formed. Cyclones typically form over warm ocean waters, at least 26.5 degrees Celsius or 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The warm water heats the air above it, causing the air to rise and create low-pressure areas. As the warm, moist air rises, it leaves a lower pressure zone near the ocean's surface. Air from surrounding areas with higher pressure moves into this lower pressure zone, creating a cycle of rising warm air. Due to Earth's rotation, this inward-moving air does not move in a straight line but starts to spiral. In the northern hemisphere, it spirals counterclockwise, while in the southern hemisphere, it spirals clockwise. This is known as Coriolis effect. Moist air continued to rise, fueling towering thunderstorms. Convection currents intensified, strengthening updrafts. Ice crystals formed, electrifying the atmosphere, as the storm's energy grew. The storm continues to draw in more warm, moist air and the system becomes more organized. When the winds reach 62 km per hour or higher, it becomes a cyclone. In more powerful cyclones, the rotation creates a calm, low-pressure center called the eye of the storm. Surrounding the eye is the most intense part of the storm, known as the eye wall, where the highest winds and heaviest rains occur. Cyclones weaken when they move over land or cooler waters as they lose their source of warm water and energy. That's how a cyclone comes to life.